Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you are enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class, that is English for Grades 3. We are learning Unit 11. Its title is Taking Care of Plants. My dear fellow teachers, this lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation and worksheet links are given. You may click it, download it, follow it as it is, or modify it for your convenience. So my dear students, we are going to practice under the title of listening and speaking, express emotions. And which emotion we are going to talk? It's joy, sadness, and anger. So we'll just talk about these three emotions. Before this, in your Unit 3, I have taught you how to express your likes and dislikes. I hope you remember. If not, you may watch this video lecture again, because on the same pattern, we are going to learn how to demonstrate conventions and dynamics of oral interactions in group to express joy, sadness, and anger. This is our today's SLO. Let's start with the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah mentions in Quran, Surah Ar-Rahman, verse 1 till 4. The most compassionate taught the Quran, created human and taught him eloquence. What does eloquence mean? Express. So beta, in these verses, what Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is saying, Allah is telling us, like, Allah created human being and Allah taught us many things. So one of them is speech. So especially Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has mentioned, Allah has given us the knowledge how to express, how to speak, how to express ourselves. And when we, whatever we feel, that is called our emotion. And when we, like, our strong feelings are our emotion, and we should know how to speak. We should be emotionally intelligent as well. So that is what we are going to learn today. First, you tell me, what are basic social courtesies and how do you express your feelings? So I have taught you how can you express your feelings. Pause the video, answer these questions to your teacher, and then come back. Yes, my dear students, I hope you remember every time I tell you social courtesies are our good manners. And we are supposed to show our good manners all the time. This is not exception only in school, only in front of teacher, only in front of elders, but at every place. If no one is watching us, who is watching us? Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So we have to show good manners all the time. And how do we express that? By using these beautiful words. May I, please, thank you, you are welcome. This is how, beta, whenever we use these words, it means we are mannerful children. And the second thing is, how do you express your feelings? I like to clean my room on Sunday. So this is how you express your likes and dislikes. I like to clean my room. Sometimes we don't like something. We can express it, but once again, by using nice words. For example, I don't like to work on Sunday. So it should be politely, I don't like to work on Sunday, it's a whole off day. But better, we should work every day, okay? Sunday doesn't mean we should not do anything. We should plan, even we should plan for Sundays as well, okay? But this is how we can express our likes and dislikes. This is what we have already learned. How do you express your feelings? I have taught you. There are two ways, by words and without words. We express better. Don't think if we don't say something, we are not expressing anything. Even when we are silent, our body language, our face expression tells how we are feeling. You see, are they saying anything? No. But by looking at them, we know they are happy because they are playing, they are outside, they are in the park, they are happy. This is how we express our feelings. As I've taught you, I'm feeling hungry, and whenever we feel something, there is a need associated with that. I need something to eat. I'm thirsty. I need water. I'm feeling tired. I need rest. Now the next thing is your emotion. This feeling, when it becomes little higher, it becomes an emotion. And beta, emotion doesn't mean you forget everything. Yes, when you are emotional, even then you should control yourself and you should express it nicely. Okay? Like this girl, she's very happy. Why? I'm happy because it's my birthday. So she is very happy. She is emotional. So she is expressing her joy. This emotion of happiness is known as joy. When you are extremely happy, very happy, right? She's sad. She's very sad. Why? I'm sad because I lost my bag. Oh, she lost her bag. But we should not be very sad. We should make like talk to someone, go to the relevant person. Maybe if you are in school, go to your teacher, tell to your teacher, I lost my bag, so please help me, right? But this emotion is known as sadness, when you are feeling low, right? And the third thing is this emotion, you can see when you are angry, when you are upset for something. Why she's angry? Oh, look at her face. Why she's angry? I'm angry because someone broke my toy. Oh, so something for which we are upset that makes us angry. So beta, we should not be, a Muslim should not be extremely angry. So right away say, Auzubillah, and it's okay. We can have another toy. It's okay. Toy is not something for which we should be angry. This is how when you will start finding, so anger is, we should not be angry for petty things. But this is a type of emotion when we are extremely upset. Do you understand? But in all type of situations, what we should do, we should express ourselves nicely, right? By using nice and sweet words. Now let's see how the emotions have been expressed in your book. All of you open your book on page number 93. So there are 4 children. They are sitting and they are talking. How they are expressing the joy, sadness, or anger. Let's find out. The first child is saying, I enjoyed a lot yesterday. It was the best picnic. Now you see at her face, she is very happy for the picnic. Okay, so she is expressing her joy. The next child, look at her face. Oh, I could not enjoy at all because of my sore throat. So he is sad. His throat was not, so he was not feeling well, so he could not enjoy, right? The third child, look at his face. He is angry. Why? Danish pushed me. I got my knee hurt. I did not enjoy. Okay, so something bad happened, so he is angry. This is how when you are talking in group, you can express your emotions nicely. And look at the fourth child, what he is saying. He's saying, you all should be happy. At least you went on a trip. I did not get permission for the picnic. Oh my God. This is how in every situation, there is a reason for us to be happy. So he's saying, at least you went on trip. You enjoyed over there. Anything new you explored. But I could not join you. I could not get permission. So this is how, while sitting in group, you can express your emotion of joy, sadness, and anger. And there are more types of emotions. We are not talking today. We will just discuss about 3 emotions today. Are you clear with the concept? Okay, let's practice it through an activity. Teacher will divide class in groups of 3. Each group will come in front of the class and will express all 3 emotions, joy, sadness, and anger. Means one student may express joy, other sadness, and the third one, anger. All the students will participate. Okay, so how you are going to express your emotion, this is your turn. Pause the video, enjoy the activity, and then come back. Yes, my dear children, as you turn with it, good job. Now it's time for your homework. You will express your feelings by writing a few sentences about some event or weather and read it aloud in the class. So you will write few lines, and tomorrow you will read it according to emotion. How will you express yourself? And here is a worksheet. My dear fellow teachers, this worksheet, lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation links are given. You may click it, download it, and kindly provide a printed worksheet to students for practice. So what we have learned today, we learned to demonstrate conventions and dynamics of oral interaction in group to express joy, sadness and anger. Are we done with it? Yes. So that's it for today. Tomorrow I'll come again with a very interesting lesson. Till that time, keep learning, keep practicing. Take very good care of yourself. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.